The Wise Maid. What I try to do in this tune is, I can't say that I can emulate the great Joe Cooley, but to try and get some of the drive and the lift into the tune that he manages by using very simple techniques. A lot of these offbeat emphases using grace notes or flicks or partial chords or whatever you call them. I think Cooley does something like that. Like a roll but delayed. Or maybe... I don't know what he does. But anyway, that's not what I do. The way to get the pulse is yada da dee dee dum yada dum. You see, you can almost miss out the grace note. Just pulsing with the bellows. If you add the grace note, makes an extra punch. And then octaves. Some people will play, especially other instruments, triplet there. Now the second part has a lot of notes and a lot of flying up and down the keyboard in it. I had to get my first finger on that D. If you play all the notes, it'll be something like this. But very often you can miss some of those out. Again, first string on the D. Now for inspiration you should find a YouTube clip of Joe Cooley playing this tune. It's a very moving performance. It's one of his last performances ever when he came back to Ireland, a very sick man, came back from the States in 1972 or 73, and a gig was arranged at a pub in Peterswell, and most of it was recorded, and the only commercial recording of Joe Cooley is taken mostly from that performance, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, look for it. You'll find a blinding version of this tune, only tantalizing, only played once through on the YouTube clip, and you can see just how much the people appreciated and loved Joe Cooley and came to pay homage to this great musician in his dying days. The Wise Maid.